Good afternoon, I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Well, today we got a rainy Oregon, but we need the rain. Today we're going to look at a brand new, fresh in 2019 Winnebago Navion 24D. This is a really neat floor plan. Let's take a quick overlook on this rig. This is going to have that Mercedes-Benz 6-cylinder engine. It's going to get about 16 miles to the gallon. Diesel fuel, runs great. We've got our push button electric awning, which is really great when it's raining out and you can kind of get out of the weather. Lots of storage. Got the built-in inverter, on-demand water heater, tankless. The RV quiet diesel. This has got the quiet diesel generator, so it's going to run off the main fuel tank, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about running out of propane. Nice, another nice little storage area. It just keeps going on and on. I like that it does have the ladder on the back. It's going to allow us to get up there and do roof inspections and such. There's our plumbing center and our power cord. You can see quite a bit more storage down underneath that slide. It's a nice big long slide on this side. This unit, oh, I almost forgot to point out, this unit also has the Alcoa rims. Really nice feature. So up front we've got our standard Mercedes-Benz cockpit. This is the way we order in all of our coaches. This has got the slapstick transmission. You can manually downshift and upshift. I like that feature. These chairs are going to spin around, become part of your living room. It's actually pretty easy to do. Oh, now see, it's so fresh, these handles are actually tied in place. I can't spin this one around at the moment. Our ladder to get to the forward bunk here. Hooks on right here. I like the way this just kind of flips up and out of the way. Makes it really easy for taller people to get into the cockpit area. Not that I have any problem doing that. Here we've got a lot of storage. I love the European design. He's got nice little roller catches. Where's my release here? There it is. Okay, that's a nice big cabinet back there. You can also add some electronic components, DVDs, etc. Here's our command center. Okay, this has got the solar panel, solar controller on it, and then solar up on the roof already. We've already got the inverter. I believe this is a 1,000-watt inverter. Here's our generator start and stop, and our tanks. Okay. If we take a look at our kitchen countertop, I like to cook. I like a lot of counter space. We do have quite a bit of counter space. These make great cutting boards if you use the hidden side. That'll work also, but you don't want to chop that all up. 2-burner stove. High output, standard output. That's a short drawer, narrow drawer. This is a nice deep one. This one's going to be a little bit deeper than the one underneath the stove. And you can see how many we do have here. So Winnebago really does a great job of putting in a lot of storage space. Like this here, whole house or kitchen sink filter. My dogs could fit underneath there. They're boxers, so they're not the little ones. Decent sized refrigerator here. It's Norcold, one of the best national brands. Here's our sofa, pretty close to right across from the TV. And here's our bed. Nice, quick. Leave the sheets tucked in, hit the button, let it fold up. One thing I like to point out, I just put these in my motorhome. This is 2 outlets with 2 USB connectors. And there's one on each side of the bed / sofa. Here in the bathroom, we've got a decent sized bathroom with a good sized shower. If you could feel how much room we have in here, it is pretty impressive for a small coach. Again, a lot of storage. Winnebago's been in business for 60 years. They know how to take care of their customers and build a coach that is very useful and very friendly. I'm Roger with Guaranty here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions about this coach or any other coaches, give me a call. Thank you. Have a great day.